Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Obtain your Steam API key and place it in a safe env variable so you can call endpoints without leaking credentials. Once done, choose an HTTP client or language library and verify basic connectivity with a simple Get News or Get Player Summaries call. Make sure to pass a PID and Steamid correctly, because incorrect ID return empty results. This first step proves credentials work and prepares you to paginate and parse real responses. Next, implement the middle logic. Construct HTTPS, get requests with your key parameter and required query fields, and parse the JSON response into typed objects. Once done, add simple caching for frequent calls to avoid rate limiting. Store responses for 5 to 30 seconds depending on volatility. Also implement error handling for non-200 status and empty payloads. Finally, map nested arrays like players or achievements into your app models, so you can display username. Finish by integrating the parsed data into UI flows and run comprehensive tests with multiple Steamid samples. Make sure edge cases like private profiles return sensible messages. Once done, add logging for requests and masked responses so you can trace issues without exposing the key. If you encounter 401 or 403 errors or consistently empty data, check that the API key is correct. The key has required access, and that parameter names like Steamid or a PID have no typos. This is the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.